Today is the day after Thanksgiving, U.S. Thanksgiving, and that's Black Friday. Last night, after the Thanksgiving party, we went into town to Walmart, whose Black Friday sale started last night. Look what I bought. A griddle. Never mind lousy old barbecue. I'm going to try this griddle and see what this works like. I think it's going to be excellent.
The boys at work cooking us breakfast.
That's right.
Yahoo! Jack, you're in the sun.
Everybody here is at church. We're eating. Sunday. What else can you do?
And the pancakes are coming. They're going to be the best things on there.
Here we go. Now we're down to bacon and some kind of sausage.
Yeah. Johnson brats.
Here's the finished product. We didn't cook any eggs. We had too much other stuff. Did we do a good job?
You did a good job. Awesome, Jack. Awesome, awesome.
Here we are at the Somerton Tamale Festival. Time to eat.
This is how we do it. Growing up in Spanish Hollow, she living a life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria. Mama chula, ahora vengo, mama chula, worldwide. Ahora vengo, mama chula, mama chula. Ahora vengo, mama chula, stop shouting.
Not only did we have tamales, we had entertainment too.
Представляющий из России подарок смеха.
Okay, enough entertainment. Let's get back to the tamales.
Hey Lou, any good?
This is the pork one open.
Ah, there it is open. There's a pineapple one. Any good?
Sweet. No fun cleaning those bugs off, is it, Jack?
If anybody has a good way of cleaning bugs off of something, let me know. They're not coming off. Some of these bugs hit so hard they dented the front of the trailer.
If I'm going to continue to stand on top of that flimsy aluminum ladder, I probably should lose a few more pounds.
Here's Jack cleaning the solar panels.
And they are dirty.
There's proof those telescoping ladders can really hold 255 pounds.
How many panels you had to clean up there, Jack?
4. This is the last one.
Well, have fun.
And that's the end of this video.